Hello students, Vande Mataram. Here are some more examples of functional grammar. Here are some functions and how to recognize, how to identify that function. Okay, so first here given showing or expressing result. Okay, when you talk about showing and expressing result, so here is some trick to identify this function. If you see in the sentences, so, therefore, to, to, enough to, so that, such that. Okay, so it is what showing result or expressing result. So, which type of sentences is here? First sentence, he is too weak to walk. So you can see this is the example of showing result. He is too weak to walk. He is weak, so he can't walk. Okay. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is such a weak person that he cannot walk. He is weak enough to walk. He is very weak, so he cannot walk. Next example. He is very weak, therefore he cannot walk. So it is the uses of showing result and how to identify. You can see the trick. If you see in the sentence, so, therefore, to, enough to, so that or such that, so it is what it is showing result. Okay, now next, talking about people, place, thing in relation to something. So this is a second function talking about people, place, thing in relation to something. And here are trick to identify this function. If you see such as, the use of such as, the same as, almost the same, like, alike, unlike, similar to, or differ from. So it is talking about people, place, thing to in relation to something. Here are examples. He bought such a pen as you have. He bought the same pen as you have. He bought a pen like yours. He bought a pen similar to yours. He bought a pen different from yours. He bought a pen almost the same as you have. Like me, he bought the pen. Unlike Nana, Nani gets up early every morning. Our views are quite alike. Our views are different from yours. Both friends are given almost the same dresses to wear. The third function, expressing manner of an action. So to identify this function, when you see as and like in sentences, so that is expressing manner of an action. You can see the also examples here. Nana speaks as Nani spoke. Nana speak like Nani. I run like PT Usha. Next, making supposition of an action. And here is also trick, as if, as though. Now examples of uses of as if and as though. He behaved as if he were a superstar. So it is what making supposition of an action. So here the behavior of him is like superstar. Okay, so you can also see the examples, uses of as if and as though. So if there is as if and as though in sentences, that is what making supposition of an action. Okay, now next example, he plays as if he were Sachin. He behaves as though he were a superstar. Next, do or not important describing process. So you know very well in passive voice doer is not important. Okay, so when we talk about doer is not important, describing process At that time, that is what passive voice. The Arjun Award was given to Dhoni last year. 2 spoons sugar is added to prepare lemon juice. Okay, connecting information. So it is like a conjunction where you connect informations to uses of and, but, yet, still, as, or, either, neither, nor, not only, but also. Okay, who, whose, which, how, when, why, what, because, however, if, unless, so that, such that, etc. Now reporting, that means indirect